This is how we perform painting calipers. We remove the caliper out of the vehicle, we bring it in, we clean in, we make sure there's no dust rusted on the calipers with the chemical, and we paint it. Before we paint it, we put it on the oven for like a few minutes, make sure it's hot and dry, no wet, and then we spray it with a BHT caliper paint. Then we clear coat, spray it on top, and then we bake for like maybe I think it's 20 minutes, half an hour. It's not really necessary, but it makes the paint cure faster and it lasts longer. At least my experience is like that. So, and then we have to put it back together on the car. We gotta bleed the brakes. In this process, replace the brake fluid flush. So we're gonna have to remove all the brake fluid and we're gonna add new brake fluid. We use, I believe it's Pentosine, which is a German brand. For those German cars, this is actually a BMW. We use a good brand of brake fluid. So we're gonna show you guys how to do, after we finish cleaning, when we paint it, how we paint it, and how we bake it, and then how we put it back in the car.